one day you will realize God never took anything from you. He just saw things and said, not with my child. You are crying for your boyfriend. He chose to marry another woman. God saw that you don't deserve the kind of man he is, because there is true colors of him you don't know. So God wants to have the right man in your life, not that man, because maybe tomorrow you are going to cry of that man. So sometimes don't say God took from me or the job, because God say maybe you have got a special job is coming from you. Not, this is not the kind of the job, because there is many problems, or in that marriage it is going to be a problem with that man or with that woman. God knows that you deserve better, not this person. So don't cry or complain why God did this to me, destroy my marriage. Sometimes other marriage are not destroyed by the devil. God destroyed the marriage because you don't deserve to be with that man or to be with that woman. So when you saw other person chose another person, they deserve each other. You deserve better. So don't complain. You say, why God me? Why God me? I don't being married with that person, what. No, you deserve better, and tomorrow you thank God you are married to a person who is better than a person who dumps you. So don't cry every time you say God took from you. Yes, God can destroy. God can destroy, guys, a relationship. Sometimes it's not about the devil or what. God can destroy your relationship, because God knows. They know what maybe your partner, what he is doing behind you, you don't know. So God maybe can reveal something you don't know, and you got separate. So God can destroy relationships. It can happen because you don't deserve the kind of that person. So it's not about, God knows that not with my child, you don't deserve the kind of job of this. You deserve better. You deserve the better person to be married. It's not about maybe why God took from me, don't they want me, or what. No, people, we can cry for something small, but there is something God took, that small thing from you, and want to give you better things, big things in your life, because that man you don't deserve. And maybe it is going to be a problem the whole of your life. You regret to be married to that man. That's why God says he have to choose another woman, and choose another woman over you. It's okay.